If you look back over your career, can you talk about a home run that sticks out? How did you find it? How did you build conviction?
Well, I can think of one that was actually the inspiration for the Value Investors Club. We were just running our own capital. We ran outside capital for 10 years, and we returned all our outside capital. I didn't take outside capital again until 2009, to run directly anyway. So this was during a period where we weren't running outside capital. And so we were just looking for good ideas for ourselves. And one of the, we had figured out one of the best investments I had ever seen. And it was, the reason it was so great was it was a company selling at half its cash value with a great business attached, okay? And usually when I size positions, it doesn't have so much to do. My largest positions are not the ones I think I'm going to make the most money from. My largest positions are the ones I don't think I'm going to lose money in, so that I can buy a lot of that without taking much risk. And if there's some optionality, meaning it could go up. And this had everything. This I was buying at half its cash value with a good business attached. It was a complicated capital structure that people couldn't figure out because it was relatively new and people hadn't seen it. But if you did, that's what you were buying. You were buying something at half its cash value with a good business. So obviously we bought a lot of that. And we thought, oh, we're so smart. We're one of the only people out there who's found this. And then my partner found on a Yahoo message board of all places someone who had figured this out in all its complicated glory. And funny story, the gentleman who figured this out actually was working at a supermarket at the time. He was just a really smart guy, and a light bulb went off, and we sort of said, wow, there's intelligent life out there. Wouldn't it be great if we can put together a group of people who could talk? People at the time, this was 1999, were looking for millions of eyeballs on the internet and whatever they were talking about. And I thought the internet was great to have little meetings with people who are all over the country at different times or all over the world, and you could sort of have a little club. I was always fascinated with the idea of an investment club. So he was one of the first members of the Value Investors Club, and he got the idea of could we attract smart people to share ideas. That was the deal. It was free to join, but you had to share your good ideas, and this gave us the idea that it wasn't just in the normal hunting places that you could find really smart people who did good work. So that was a really good one, half its cash value and with a good business attached. And it was really because it was a complicated capital structure.